Today, I'll show you how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. If you receive videos on Telegram and want to watch them without saving them to your device, Telegram makes this easy with its built-in streaming feature. Instead of waiting for a video to fully download, you can begin watching it almost immediately as long as the video supports streaming. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Start by opening the chat that contains the video you want to watch. This can be a private conversation, a group chat, or a channel. Once you've found the video, simply click on its thumbnail. Telegram will begin playing it right away. You'll notice that the video starts almost instantly, while the rest of the file continues loading in the background. This allows you to watch the video without waiting for the entire file to download first. If you want a larger viewing experience, click the full screen button while the video is playing. This expands the video to fill your screen, making it easier to watch longer videos or videos with small details. When you're finished, simply exit full screen mode to return to the chat. A faster and more stable connection will usually provide smoother playback with less buffering, especially for high-quality videos. Also, not every video can be streamed immediately. Some older uploads or unsupported file types may require a full download before they can be played. In those cases, Telegram will automatically download the video before playback begins. And that's all there is to it. By simply opening a supported video and letting Telegram stream it, you can watch videos quickly without manually downloading the entire file first. It's a convenient way to preview or enjoy videos while saving time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.